Today we're making a tiramisu icebox cake. So we've already made our graham crackers or grabbed some from the store. Now we're going to make up our mascarpone type filling. So what I've got here is our prepared dairy-free whipped cream. I'm going to get 1 cup of that, and I've got 1 cup of yogurt. You can use whatever yogurt you like. I am using a plain Greek style yogurt, so it is thicker. Then we're just going to mix it together with the whipped cream, and you're going to get this fluffy, nice filling that kind of has a little bit of a zing from the yogurt. If you don't find it sweet enough, feel free to add a little bit of maple syrup, but I found there was enough sweetness in the whipped cream to balance out the flavor. So we start by adding a layer of our yogurt whipped cream to the bottom of our baking dish. And then our next layer is going to be coffee or espresso soaked graham crackers. You just want to dunk them in there super quick. I've got 2 double shots of espresso in that glass container. If you want it to be a little mellower on the coffee side, or you don't have an espresso machine, feel free to just use regular coffee. Now that we've got our full graham cracker layer, we're going to go with another whipped cream yogurt layer and just spread that out. And we're just going to repeat this until we filled up our baking dish and used up all our whipped cream yogurt mixture. Now we'll get the last of our yogurt whipped cream layer on top and spread that out. And then our second to last step, we're going to grab a sieve with some cocoa powder in it, and you're just going to give it a tap so we can cover the entire surface with the dusting of cocoa, just like a traditional tiramisu. And then comes the single hardest part of this entire recipe, and that is waiting for it to chill. We're going to pop it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight, and that lets the graham crackers soak up more of the coffee as well as the moisture from your nice fluffy whipped cream yogurt layer. It magically transforms your graham crackers into this soft cake-like texture. This was so good. And if you're not a fan of coffee, then check out the other icebox recipe we just posted earlier this week too. And that one's made with strawberries.